Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. Dear children, please continue to take care of yourself and with that, take care of your studies also. Dear children, we have studied nouns in the last class. Okay, we have studied the definition of the noun and the kinds of noun. Now further we will move to the next part of the noun, that is the gender. Okay, children, all of you have studied genders in the earlier classes also. But maybe the term gender is new for you, but we all have studied male and female in the classes which you have studied earlier. In that, children, you have studied how different animals, different persons are named as males and females. Why this happens? Because, children, when we look around, we can see that the nouns exist around us, exist in two groups. जो भी हम nouns हम अपने आसपास देख रहे हैं वो सारे किस ग्रुप दो ग्रुप्स में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. एक होता है मेल और दूसरा फीमेल. It can be it is for the person also and it's for the animals also. हम दोनों साइड देख रहे हैं कि जब भी हम इसकी बात करते हैं we have male groups for the person, female group of the person, we have male group of the animals as well as we have female group of the animal. To study that or to name those person or animals in different ways, in different groups, we study gender. Here, children, we first study about masculine gender, masculine and feminine, because when we were talking about masculine and feminine, we are talking about male and female. These are the terms given to the male and female. Masculine relates to the male gender, feminine relates to the female gender. So you can see some of the examples over here in male and female, like father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cock, hen. So these are some of the examples as male and female or masculine and feminine. So these are the main groups on the basis of which we differentiate the nouns. Further, children, there are some of the common genders also. One group exists which is known by the profession. वो अपने काम से जाने जाते हैं, ना कि अपने मेल और फीमेल जेंडर्स. Okay, we can't distinguish after hearing that whether it is a male or female. So those on the basis of the profession when we talk about, they are common genders like friend, doctor, teacher, guest, astronaut. When we talk about, we don't know whether it is a male or a female, but they all related to their profession, and that is the common noun. Then, children, we have the last group, that is neuter gender. Neuter मतलब बेटा वो जेंडर है, वो ग्रुप है जो कि दे डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट एज मेल एंड फीमेल. ओके, वो मेल और फीमेल में नहीं, दे आर जस्ट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स जिनका मेल और फीमेल डिस्टिंग्विश करना डिफ़िकल्ट है. तो उसके लिए हमने बनाया है न्यूटर जेंडर, जिसमें मोस्टली नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स एग्जिस्ट करती. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द फोर genders we have studied? We have studied four genders, that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Okay, these are the four genders what we are studying here. Masculine, male gender, feminine, female gender, common gender where we can't distinguish as male and female, and neuter genders are basically the non-living things. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now, children, we will also study some of the examples of masculine and feminine. It will be easy for you to understand how we change the male and female of the nouns. Okay.